ARAG Legal Protection Limited is established in 2019 when we got our authorisation from the Central Bank of Ireland. We are a managing general agent, which means we are a retail intermediary in the Irish jurisdiction. We manage all of the claims, the underwriting, the backroom stuff on behalf of a capacity insurer, which is ARAG Allgemeine Versicherung. ARAG Allgemeine Versicherung is the actual underwriter, and we sell the products on their behalf in the Irish market. In that regard, we're subject to all of the regulatory requirements that the Central Bank have on any regulated, authorised intermediary. So we're subject to the Consumer Protection Code, the Fitness and Probity, the Minimum Competency Codes, and all of the other consumer legislation. It's a relatively new market, Ireland is still, even though we've been in it in one guise or another for over 25 years. It's not as mature as the European markets, which have been going since 1930s and maybe 1940s in other countries. However, within our own team here, we have well over 100 years experience between us, and we're highly dedicated. We're highly qualified. We have to do that. Our regulator sets minimum standards, but we like to go above those, and everybody is actually studying for exams higher than the minimum. Regulation is very much driven by the central bank in terms of the codes of practice that are out there. But it's not just about that. It's about us being in a position to educate the people who are selling our products. We train them, and we train the individuals as well that are selling it on the end of the line. It's all very well and fine having a lovely brochure, but if somebody doesn't understand what they're actually selling, they're not actually doing the service that we should be doing for our customer, so that they make an informed decision when they're actually purchasing our product. ARAG Legal Protection Limited are the #1 legal expenses provider in the Irish market. And if we can operate within the regulatory environment that we have here, it complements exactly what we're trying to do, in that we are trying to meet the customer's expectations, give them access to justice.